Please welcome Jason!
I can almost see it, a dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head will never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make is lost with no directions. My feet is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head high. So it's gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. So it doesn't gotta have to last. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about swing on the other side. If you glide, keep on moving, climbing, keep your faith, keep your faith. It's all about
Jason!
Jason, thank you very much.
Yun lang pala talaga inaantay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi,
Jason.
Ro. Welcome back on stage.
Iba ang look natin na wala tayong salamin.
Salamin.
ngayon. Oh, but parang emotional ka rin ngayon. What's wrong?
Kasi nasabit po.
Oo, alam niya no, na sumabit. Bilib ako sa kanya for recognizing.
Alam niya eh.
Oo.
Gift
It
of
happens
ears.
on stage. It happens on stage.
All
di ba?
performers, nangyari yan sa lahat. Pinakamagagaling, sumasabit din kami. Pero may tanong ako sa'yo, Jason. Naisip mo sa edad mong yan, at dahil lang sa isang audition, magkakaroon ka ng Jasonians na nagmamahal sa'yo dyan.
Did you ever expect na magkakaroon ng Jasonians?
Hindi po kasi po. I didn't expect po na ganito po yung kalayo yung mararating ko po. Semifinals na po ito, malayo na po to. Okay na po to sa akin kahit hindi po ako matanggap.
Okay. On that note, it is time to hear from our judges.
Friendship, kanina sinabi mo na pag maganda yung performance mo, naiiyak ka.
Oo.
Yung mga times na nakalimutan mo yung lyrics na medyo madalas mangyari.
Parati kong ginagawa yun.
Oo, ano? Naiiyak ka din?
Hindi. Sanay na yung audience. Tumatawa na lang sila. At tinatanggap nila ako na ganun ako. Pero alam mo, ang galing mo kasi ang lakas ng loob mo na talagang inamin na sumabit ka and pinahanga mo ko sa part na yun. Congratulations.
Honesty, di ba?
Yes.
And I think the best performers to Jason, meron talagang realization of where they're good and where they fail. At yun ang lalong magpapatibay sa'yo at lalo ka pang huhusay with age because magaling ka talagang magkilala ng sarili mo.
That's right.
Yan ang talent.
Tama.
Sir FMG?
Jason, magandang boses mo. Your selection of music is right. Pero sumabit ka, no? So, it's really up to the audience who would vote for you if they want to give you a chance to be in the finals.
Thank you, Sir FMG. Are you okay, Jason? Kasi kaya na sinabi, it is up to the audience. Kaya kung gusto niyo pang magtuloy-tuloy ang climb ni Jason to the top, then all you have to do is text or vote for him. All you have to do is type in PGT space Jason.
Ulitin ko po, PGT space JZAN. Your vote counts, mga kapamilya. Jason, okay lang yun. The show must go on.
It
Thank you
happens,
very
bro.
much, ha?